Bitcoin is creating a gigantic bull flag while we are seeing that Bitcoin is getting ready for another move, because all the indicators and all the charts are pointing us towards another breakout that will be happening anytime soon. So in this exact video, I will talk about the criteria, what we need to see in order to have this breakout getting confirmed. I will talk about the most important horizontal resistance levels, and of course I will give a brief update on the Bitcoin dominance, because it looks to be that altcoins are once again taking some territory back here on the market. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. It's going to be a super important one, and can we once again smash up the likes back above 500? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. Of course, if we're looking at Bitcoin on the imminent short term, we can currently clearly see there are two very important levels in this range. We've got the lower side of support around 29.8k and the top side resistance trading around 31,000 US dollars. As soon as we do break either of these levels, so the upside or the downside, we're going to see massive volatility. If we're going to be breaking bullish, we're going to see volatility towards the upside, and also if we do break bearish, we're going to see, of course, more significant moves towards the downside. There are also clearly some trend lines we could be looking at right now, some downward sloping resistance that we need to be breaking, some upward sloping support that we need to be breaking in order to see an even bigger move. And of course, if I were to be looking at these trend lines, I once again think the 4-hourly time frame is right now coming together very perfectly. Of course, we've been looking at many other consolidation phases in the past, but currently we can clearly see Bitcoin is still creating lower highs together with higher lows. So Bitcoin is consolidating and it is getting ready right now for another move. Which direction it's going to be towards, we don't know yet, and we have to wait and see whether we're going to be breaking the upward sloping support line or the downward sloping resistance line. You can see here on the 4-hourly time frame and the 1-hour time frame, basically I will be looking at this consolidation phase right here. As soon as we do break the top side, I'm expecting the continuation is going to happen and the breakout is getting confirmed, because if we only break the trend line right here, I am not 100% convinced that we are actually going to be breaking higher. So I want to be seeing both the range high, and in case that happens, I will be confirming it as a confirmed breakout. So Bitcoin is currently getting ready for another move here, and it is looking like we could be having one anytime soon right here. So once this level does break here, you will be the first one to know on YouTube. You will be the first one to know on Twitter if you do follow me across all my socials. And of course, like you already know, I am still in a long position of Bitcoin because I'm still expecting there is going to be a bigger move towards the upside. And you could also maybe look at the bull flag scenario for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin created, of course, a 25% price surge towards the upside, and it is still holding above 30,000 US dollars. So I am actually quite amazed how strong the price action of Bitcoin remains here, and I'm also quite impressed that Bitcoin is right now still creeping towards the upside after it moved up 25%. So Bitcoin looks to be having still a lot of strength right here, and I won't be surprised if we are going to go higher. And of course, like I said in the beginning of the video, if we were to be going higher, we need to break the downward sloping resistance line and also the range high on the market. If that happens, the price target for Bitcoin towards the upside is going to be quite epic, because the price target of this breakout towards the upside is going to be somewhere around 32,000 US dollars. But be on high alert. As soon as Bitcoin breaks that 31,000 US dollar barrier, we are probably going to see even more exponential price rallies for Bitcoin, if history is an indication. So I am very convinced that if Bitcoin manages to be breaking the 30,000 US dollars, we could be heading much higher. So if I'm looking at Bitcoin right now on my trade, I am currently 1.42 Bitcoin in profit, what is about 40 to 50,000 US dollars. And if you want to be trading yourself as well, you could do so. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I shared this trade on my channel. I showed it step by step. Once I was in a loss, once I was in a profit. So it's definitely worth it to subscribe to the channel and stay up to date, because soon I'm going to be opening up a new trade on a new account, and you should definitely be subscribed to the channel for that new upcoming trade, because we're going to make even more money with that upcoming trade anytime soon here. Furthermore, if you are interested in trading, you can right now claim a free 1,000 US dollar Bitcoin long or short position, or an XRP long or short position. And if you were to be claiming any of these deposit bonuses, all you need to do here is sign up a new account using the link above, deposit $100 within 7 days, and after that you can claim your free 1,000 US dollar Bitcoin long or short position or XRP long or short position. Also, want to be saying this, as soon as Bitcoin breaks above the 31,000 US dollars, we do know there's a lot of room to grow towards the upside, towards levels of 40 to 38,000 US dollars. So the main resistance to break is 31 to 32,000 dollars. If we do break it, I'm going to be super bullish. And of course, we're currently consolidating below resistance and it's actually looking quite bullish here. So I won't be surprised if we do see that move above resistance anytime soon here. You can clearly see it right here. Bitcoin is consolidating below resistance and we're basically waiting before we're going to see that next move getting initiated for Bitcoin. And of course, if you're looking at the weekly time frame, you can currently clearly see Bitcoin is retesting one of the most critical levels. And like you can see from the past, all I need to see here is a breakup of 32,000 US dollars on a weekly candle. And if that happens, we are going to start flying again. And actually, we are literally entering the bull market stadium, just like we had right here. Once we broke above this most important resistance, we entered the bull market stadium again here. Maybe we're going to see something similar, that we retest this level, come down, and then move up here. So just like this. So there could be multiple scenarios that could be playing out right now. I won't be surprised if Bitcoin could actually see another rejection. But to be very clear, no matter what happens, Bitcoin is good for accumulation. If it goes down, I'm going to be buying more. But the point we do break above the 30,000 US dollar barrier, that is the point where I would really expect Bitcoin has got more exponential power towards the upside. So that is why I think this is a super important level to be paying attention towards. And also due to the fact that we closed the new monthly candle, we're right now seeing that the monthly MACD is actually also crossing bullish officially. And that is also an indication that the bear market is officially over. Then a quick update on the Bitcoin dominance and altcoins. I've been saying this for quite a while. 52% was the level that I was expecting a rejection is going to be happening for the Bitcoin dominance. And it is exactly happening like we've been saying. I mean, Bitcoin could be maybe, the dominance could be maybe moving down a little bit more, but I still expect we could be heading higher, but not of course in one straight go here. So we're having a small little retracement right here. Maybe we're going to see a similar consolidation phase, but as soon as we do break above 52%, when I think it's possible, the next target for me is going to be 58 to 59% here. So that's going to be this barrier right here. So yeah, but altcoins and especially Ethereum is definitely taking some territory and back from Bitcoin, but still in the end of the day, I remain to believe that Bitcoin is going to be the strongest asset until it breaks back above its all-time high, because then I'm expecting altcoins could be taking over the scene again. So that was it for me in today's update video. And if you did like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel here. Of course, we are right now waiting for that next breakout. Bitcoin could be heading towards 32,000 US dollars if we see a breakout of this symmetrical triangle right here. So make sure to stay posted, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.